All right, so over here is Split Rock Loop. This is a trail I've never ridden before. It's the Elephant Head Trail. It's only a mile out and back, but from what I've heard, it's supposed to have some good technical stuff on it. So we're gonna ride this today. Let's see how we like it. I can't tell if I'm going fast enough to generate that breeze, or if there's also a breeze coming in that's making that feel very cold. I think it was close to 40 degrees in the parking lot, which it feels a bit warmer than that because there's a little bit of sun, but anytime you get in the shade, you feel every bit of that 40 degrees for sure. But as I said, I think in another video, when I was out here, you kind of have to ride, oh, here we go, a little bit of rockiness. Have to ride Antelope Island when it's cold. Otherwise, there's too many bugs. There's another trail I've never ridden that's further north from here, but it's from what I've heard, it's my not so favorite kind of technical trail where there's a lot of tight spaces, and I always worry that I'm going to ruin my derailleur hanger and stuff like that, so I tend to not like it very much. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's all right. Little ice here. Don't slip. That's fun. Going up that'll be, well, I'm gonna have to hike up it unless there's a ride around. There's probably a ride around. I thought I saw a trail. Oh, I didn't have the right gear. I thought I saw a trail that was kind of riding around back there. There, I got my feet on a little bit. That white stuff gets me because it looks like, oh, it might be really icy. Oh, come on. Get the legs going. There we go. I need to watch my shifting better. Looks like it might be full on ice, and then, you know, sometimes you get on it and it is. Other times you get on it and it's not much, just a little dusting of snow on the trail. That was a bad line. Yeah, it's not constant technical, which of course the trail points out by getting smooth again. Not constant technical stuff, but there's some really nice technical sections out here. So far today, I have not seen any bison, but perhaps I've seen or I've captured some of their trail side mementos. Right here, there's not anything I can see, but there's been a couple of spots where it looks like there was just a huge herd laying down tracks. Some soft spots on the trail here. Surprising. Not a bad view of Great Salt Lake. Come on. Oh, come on. Yes. Oh, I love the feeling of getting a nice technical climb. There's a big old pile of bison dung right there. Whew. That's not a bad trail. All right, this trail comes to a point, pretty nice lookout, and then heads back. So we're headed back toward where we were at. Come on, baby. Oh, darn it. I had it, except for my pedal hit that rock right there. Soil's not very muddy, but that gets very soft when it's a little wet. Like, I'm not throwing up a ton of mud or sinking down in, but I feel the rolling resistance a lot on that stuff that's just a little damp. Some fun moves. I think I mentioned before, it's only a mile out, so it's a pretty short trail, but quite fun. As far as technical maneuvers that are on this island, I would say this trail's, we got the most of them, other than that one that I mentioned is not my favorite kind of technical because of the tight spaces and potential for derailleur damage. There, dry a bit more. In some mud there. Ooh, that's getting cold. I haven't had that long of a run where I could get speed up yet, and that was cold. Come on. Oh. Oh shoot, that's my fault. Bad line. I should have stayed on the line I was on. Whew, that was steep. Yeah, that was kind of tough. Whew. Excuse me. This cold's got me. I'm building up a little frog in my throat. There we go. That was Elephant Head Spur, as you can see on the trail map. There's one thing out here, there are some pretty good trail maps. So if you finish this video, put on your shoes, jacket if it's cold, and get outside.